Hey girls, so today I'm going to be doing a color correction on these bundles that I colored before black. First, I lifted them with the Matrix Lightning Master. You want to make sure that you get 8 levels or above. And then I got my 30 volume Matrix. And then some conditioner to bring the hair back to life. So today we're using Wella. I'm going to try out the 8A and the 9A and maybe the 10A. And then if I need an extra boost, I'm going to use the T10 developer. You're going to need a brush, a bucket if you don't want to get your sink messed up, a measuring cup if you're like me and just want to save all your products. And you're gonna need a comb to saturate those products through the hair. Make sure your comb is very sturdy. So first I use my 9A. This is just a little trick that I do. First I pour out everything that's inside, all of the content, shake it good, make sure it's all out. You don't want to leave nothing behind. Don't waste none of your money. You know, well, it's kind of expensive. And what I do is I pour the developer inside of the same bottle to make sure that the measurements are perfect. So it's actually a 1-to-2 mixing ratio. So you're going to do this twice and you're going to shake, shake, shake again. Because again, nothing that we use is cheap. We're only using the best of the best on our bundles because we want to bring them back to life and we don't want them to be hard or over processed. And I'm not even trying to be funny. Like, I literally shake this. I have to get every single last drop out because I'm not wasting my money. Period. So then you want to get the mixture nice and really good. The consistency, like almost a jelly like. Add your gloves. And then you're going to saturate that hair. Now, this is a color correction. So your hair has to be extremely saturated. First, you're going to drain out that water. You don't even have to blow dry. Like, kill that step. Saturate those bundles. Like, you might even have to do like 2 Wellas per one bundle. I don't know because this is old weave, so I'm just piecing it all together and trying to just see if it'll actually bring. Because again, I did color these bundles black with permanent color once upon a time, and I'm trying to do a color correction on bundles. So this might not even work, but we about to see. So this is how it came out. I'm like literally smoothing, and you can see me rubbing it through because this hair is pink, so it has to be every single, like it has to be on every single strand or it's not going to work at all. So this is first me doing the 9A, and then after that I'm following up with the 8A. So I'm not going to use the 10A right now because I want to compare to see if these two even work before I waste my money. And then tomorrow with some more hair that I have, I'll use the 10A. So yeah, this is just me saturating. Make sure that it's super saturated. Fast forward, this is 30 minutes. You can see the 8A is looking more deep. Fast forward, this is an hour and 20 minutes. So at this point, I have to rinse this out. It's looking good. So this is the comparison. The first one is how the hair first looked. The next one is the 9A, and the last one is the 8A. The 8A came out the best. I'm definitely feeling the 8. I don't know why, but the 8 just canceled out all the color and brought it like darker and deeper versus how the 9A looks. So I'm definitely going to be team 8A from going on, and just the level 8 for the hair in general. This is just like a pro tip. If the hair is a level darker, you can use the 30 volume with the permanent color to lift it. But again, color can't lift color. So the level 8 just did it perfect because the hair is level 8. And I was super excited about how this came out. But my last tip that I'm going to tell you all is to add some conditioner and some hot water and let that hair sit overnight. Because this is going to help the hair bring back to life after you've done all of these chemicals and processed the hair tremendously. So that's all, guys. If you love this video, definitely leave me a like and comment below. Let me know how y'all feel about how the color came out, and let me know if y'all want me to try some different colors on some different weave. I feel like this, it came out pretty good. So let me